Who are you calling, Gabby? Huh? Who did you call on the phone? Huh? What did you call?
Mommy?
Yes?
Mommy?
Yes.
Missy.
What?
Missy.
I don't know what you're saying.
Missy.
Merci.
Missy. Missy.
Are you trying to say, can I see? Can you say, can I see? Can you say that? Say, can.
Mom, look at my face.
Take a picture of your face. Okay. What do you want me to take a picture of now?
Take a mom. Mom, take a picture of my face.
Okay. I took a picture of your face. What else do you want me to take a picture of?
Take my face.
Take it on the other side of your face? Okay. Click. Okay, I took a picture of that side of your face. What else do you want me to take a picture of?
My phone.
You dropped it down there on the floor somewhere. Probably went under the chair. Is it under there?
I found it.
You found it? Good job. Oh. What are you doing? I see you. What are you doing? Did you tell everybody you fell yesterday?
My ears.
Oh, take a picture of your ears. Okay. Click. Pretty.
Mom, see?
You want to see? Okay, just a minute. What do you want me to take a picture of now?
I see.
Well, honey, if you see, you're not going to see yourself.
Mama.
See? There are the pictures over there. Okay, what else do you want me to take a picture of? Where are you going?
Gab Grace.
What are you doing?